Hello everybody, and welcome back. Today I would like you to follow my instructions. Okay. So I want to just have this time with you. I want you to really engage with me. Okay. I want you to listen to my voice and my hand movements. Okay? So first of all, I'm going to try and relax you where you are. Okay? So just take a nice deep breath in for me. Out. Good. Take a nice deep breath in. And out. Wonderful. And take a nice deep breath in. Ready. And out. Very good. Now I want you to just sit back where you are. Okay. And I want you to do everything that I say. Okay? Perfect. Okay. So just lick it. 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 Very good. Okay. Look at my finger. Look at my finger. Lick it. 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 Good. Okay, look at my hands. Focus on my hands. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, I'm going to whisper in each ear, and I want you to repeat back to me what I say. Okay? Ready? Really focus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What did I say? Good. Cat, dog, mouse, book. Very good. Light, hand, voice. Good. Ready? Apple, banana, orange. Good. Well done. Okay. Focus on my hands. Focus. Focus. Focus on my hands. Very good. Okay. How many fingers am I holding up? How many? How many fingers? How many? How many? How many? How many fingers? How many? How many? How many fingers? Very good. Okay, just look at my finger. Now follow my finger. Follow my finger. Follow my finger. Good. Follow my finger. Now follow this finger. Okay. Follow my finger. Follow my finger. Good. Okay. Look at my hands. Look at my hands. Okay. Now we're gonna play a little game. Okay. This is gonna be like Simon Says, but Bryony says. Okay. So if I say Bryony says blink, you blink. Okay. If I say wink, you don't wink because I didn't say Bryony says. Okay. Alright, let's try this out. Bryony says wink. Okay. Bryony says blink. Okay, puff your cheeks. Okay. Bryony says touch your nose. Bryony says smile. Okay, frown. Okay. Bryony says hold up your finger. Okay. Bryony says smile. Okay. Blink. Okay. Bryony says close your eyes. Okay. Open your eyes. Bryony says blink. Bryony says close your eyes. Now open your eyes. You're actually pretty good at that. Okay. What I would like you to do now, I've got a light here. I want you to look at the light. Good. Look at the light. 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 Okay, tell me when you can see the light. Good. 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 Very good. Okay, look at the light. Now follow the light. 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 Keep following the light for me. Follow the light. Follow the light. Follow the light. Very good. Look at the light. 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 Very good. Okay. What I would like you to do now is just blink, blink, blink. Okay. Now, I want you to tell me if my hands are close or far away. Okay? Good. 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 Very good. choose a brighter light. Now this one is much, much brighter. So, look at the light. 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 Okay. Now tell me when you can see the light. Good. 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 Very good. Okay. Can you now follow the light? Keep your eyes on the light. Follow the light. The light. The light. Very good. Follow the light. Follow the light. Very good. Follow the light. Good. Okay. Very good. You're doing really, really well there. Please just blink, blink, blink. Okay, now look at my hands. I'm going to do a few more tests with you, okay? So, how many fingers am I holding up? How many? How many? How many? How many? How many? Good, okay. Look here. 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 Very good. Okay. Follow my finger. 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 Very good. Okay. What I would like you to do now, I want you just to close your eyes and relax, okay? Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Now I'm going to ask you some questions. These are just some basic, very, very easy questions. Keep your eyes closed, but I want you to answer the questions, okay? What time is it, roughly, at the moment? Okay. And what month are we in? Okay. And what year is it? Good, 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 good. Okay. Can you name an animal beginning with S? S. S. Good. Can you name 3 different vegetables? Very good. Can you name 3 fruits? Very good. Okay. Okay. Keep your eyes closed. Good. Okay, I want you to imagine you're in your safe place. Think of a place that makes you feel safe, makes you feel calm, at ease and peaceful. Think of a place and imagine you're there. Whether that's at home in bed, here with me, at the beach, in a wherever it is, just imagine you're in your safe place, okay? I want you to really think about what it looks like and really imagine you're there, okay? What can you smell? Can you smell anything in particular? Does it smell fresh, warm, cozy, nostalgic? What does it smell like? And now I want you to think about what you can see. What can you see around you? Is there anybody else there? Or are you alone? What does it look like? Just really think about it. Okay, and now what can you hear? I want you to think about what you